Our meditation today is the meditation for mental purity. Time to clean house up there. This meditation has the capacity to make your mind as clear as crystal. You can completely eliminate mental impurities, negativity, pain, suffering, those kinds of things. Things that might get you down, cloudy brain. Meditation is particularly helpful in developing your healing power, also the healing power that's naturally within you. The mantra is 4 words. It's 2 words repeated. It's Gobinda, Gobinda, Hari, Hari. Gobinda is Gobinda. You might have heard the name Govinda before. And I think that in India, in India, they pronounce V's as B's and B's as V's. So we're calling it Gobinda, Gobinda, Hari, Hari. That's the mantra. Gobinda is one of the many names of God, one of the aspects of God. And the aspect that Gobinda is the sustainer, the supporter of all life. Hari, H-A-R-I, with that rolled R, you can say Hari if you like. Hari is the power of God to remove. It's the aspect of the remover. The remover of suffering and negativity and pain. So with Gobinda, Gobinda, you're calling upon the fresh, beautiful, potent healing energy that inherently exists within you. And with Hari Hari, you'll be calling upon the remover to remove any negativity that's been in you or around you recently. So before we begin, I'd like to also say something about the masculine and the feminine aspects of our energy, because this meditation impacts these energies through the hand position being used, the mudra. We each, as human beings, have both masculine and feminine energy within us. It's symbolized by the sun for the masculine and the moon for the feminine. And the sympathetic nervous system is the right side of your body. Your subconscious mind controls the right side of your body through the sympathetic nervous system, and your left side of your body through the parasympathetic. The left side of your body is the feminine, the right side, the masculine. So right now, today, I'd like to ask you to consider which of these 2 energies might you like to strengthen within yourself during this meditation. The right side of the body, the masculine energy, is associated with decisiveness and action, logic, problem solving, the fight or flight, protection from danger. So if you'd like to be more decisive and solve some problems logically, then you're going to want to develop that masculine right side during this meditation. The feminine energy generally resides in the left side of your body, and it's an energy of creativity and reflection, just as the moon reflects the sun's light. Intuition rather than logic, sensitivity and understanding rather than fighting. And so you might want to strengthen the feminine aspect of your energy today. Just consider that for a few moments. Which would you like to do? So how do we do this meditation? You're already sitting in a comfortable meditative posture, and if you want to develop the masculine decisive energy, rest your right hand in your left hand with both palms facing up. The right hand being supported, that masculine energy being supported in the left hand. And if you want to develop your feminine creative energy, rest your left hand in your right. And your thumbs will be pointing away from your body. So, I don't know if you can see me. This is, if the left is in there, the right. But in either case, the thumbs are pointed outward. And you hold this mudra at the bottom of your rib cage, which is kind of at the middle of your torso, just at the lower part of your chest. And that's where you want to hold it. Thumbs pointing away from the body, and your arms just rest against the sides of your body. Your eyes are going to be 9/10 closed, 1/10 open, and you'll be chanting the mantra with the singer, allowing your breath just to naturally regulate itself. And you can also just listen the whole time, or you can join in when you're ready. So, here we go. It's Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari, or Hari, Hari.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari.
So what you're doing is you're calling on the Govinda, the creative energy within you, the healing energy to come forth, and you're releasing the pain.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari.
Eyes 9/10 closed. Devotional. Bring forth that healing energy from within you.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari.
Sweeping out the mind, purifying, becoming crystal clear. Much the way we do with the gong.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari,
Hari.
Hari.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari. Hari.
Hari.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari.
Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari.
Enjoy your breathing. Enjoy life this moment.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari.
We'll do one more minute.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari.
One more round.
Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari. Govinda, Govinda, Hari, Hari.
Okay, now inhale, please. And suspend your breath. And exhale and relax your breath. Relax your hands. And just go ahead and start to move into a reclining position for our gong meditation.